This is our final episode. It's the one that always touches me and brings tears to my eyes. I hope it has an emotional impact for you as well. And in the end of the day, it's about unity, friendship, coming together, and getting through it all as one. Enjoy this episode. Let's go. I'll be right back. I'm bringing some food to the nice guy. His name is Mustafa. He's the first guy that we met when we were in a crisis at the kitchen store. Just a little offering for all he's done for us. So it smells good. I'm hungry. I want to eat it. But they deserve much more than this, but at least it's a thought that counts. They've helped us a lot. Wow, it's like a never-ending run. I've been running.
Could it end any other way?
No, couldn't end any other way. Faster, but my feet hurt. Can't go any faster. Can you imagine you trip and you flop and the tray flies? That'd be really good TV. Oh yeah, he's there. He's just gonna be happy that he sees you. Go.
Hi. You're leaving tomorrow.
Thank you.
Eduardo,
I brought you some pasta.
some pasta.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Two for your brothers and your friends as well
Yeah,
at the
everything.
big shop.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
If you want to share any.
Okay.
So
Thank
happy
you.
we met you.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you very, very much for your help.
What time you left, maybe?
Tonight.
Tonight,
We're leaving
Tonight?
tonight.
Really?
4 a.m. flight.
we
Oh,
work
okay.
and then we.
This is it. We're going back to Los Angeles.
Your favorite person is leaving.
Actually, have WhatsApp. WhatsApp, okay?
We do
will
it, yeah,
support
we
you.
have
Okay,
WhatsApp.
yes,
We're
Okay.
connected.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You
Thank you for
saved
everything.
us.
Okay? Enjoy. With food, you unite. You know, it doesn't matter what you believe, what you know, where you come from. I think it's beautiful to be different. You don't want the whole world to be the same. And I do believe that with food you can create change.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
We're getting out of here on time. We have lives to go back to. Ah.
Eduardo, congratulations. Thank you for the success. You made it. You're number one. You are the big talk now here in Riyadh. Everybody talk about you. As well, number one everywhere in Beverly Hills, in Riyadh, everywhere. Congratulations. Looking forward to see you back in LA.
The people are talking about the service, about the food, about the team, about everyone. It is amazing experience, Baldi. You give it to Riyadh season. Thank you so much for coming.
Well, I read some comments and everybody say Baldi is the best one in the Festival of Riyadh. Yeah. So, congratulations, my friends.
Amazing. I feel I've built a friendship and made friendships that will last forever. I'm very, very proud to get to know the whole team, and I can't wait to see them next in Beverly Hills, and then hopefully next time back in Saudi Arabia.
They better invite me back. I had to suffer a little bit, but now we got it all down. Now I'm ready. Next time it won't be a piece of cake. No, I really would love to come back because, again, to serve these people has been an honor and a pleasure, and I've enjoyed every step of the way. And I would love to come back and cook some more for them.
It's been a real joy, and I'm very thankful for the whole team for getting through the speed bumps in the beginning.
Because, as everyone else knows, it's the first time they do this fair, right? Or season, Riyadh season. There are meant to be problems.
And you know, you guys were somewhat of a guinea pig coming in as the first. But I think we're, you know, after a couple days of kind of that rocky road, we honed in on the operation, and I think we're getting better day by day. So we're sorry to see you go now.
We knocked it out. The last nights, I mean, we've been knocking it out. I've done more people here than I've ever done at the restaurant in Beverly Hills.
I think that's the sign of a true chef, is to push through that wall of complacency and come out the other side. And this team has definitely done that.
Emotion, drama, laughter. They had everything, this experience. A little bit of depression, like, my feet hurt though. Oh, my feet hurt. Yeah, but you know what I'm most proud of?
Yeah.
I mean, besides the people, all the people that I couldn't have never done it by myself. I couldn't just shown up here. Like Rochelle did amazing in her organization and everything. Every time we had a problem, Rochelle, she must have heard her name called out like 100 million times a day. I would have gone crazy. And then from all, like Anna, Connie, Giuseppe, Dario, Enrique, Marianne, Emilio, they all stepped it up. Like, I mean, to be honest, I wasn't expecting for them to do what they did. I'm on shock. Maybe it's like when you put someone in a very difficult situation, they just react. And this is what they did. They all reacted. I mean, I have to give it to them because it was what they did was amazing. Only Giuseppe failed me, as always. I'm just kidding. So would you guys do it again with me?
Yeah, you want to go
Yeah?
next week?
No, I don't know about next week.
I'm really happy with this experience. And
Why are you talking the whole time?
okay, you talk.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. And from this, I think a lot of other things are going to happen, not just in Saudi Arabia, but all over the place. I think more and more opportunities are going to come.
Yeah.
But I could have never done it without you guys. That's for sure, 100%. If I had, no, it's true. If I had gone by myself, there's no way I could have done what we did together as a team.
Everyone say shukran. Say shukran.